Today we are introducing Fenix 8 Pro and Fenix 7 Pro. The Garmin Fenix series has been the go-to choice for athletes who demand the very best in tracking every aspect of their performance. Whether it's running, cycling, swimming, or scaling mountains, the Fenix series has always delivered. Now, the Fenix 8 Pro is on the horizon, promising to elevate this legacy to unprecedented heights with new features and enhancements. Let's be honest, the competition in the wearable tech market is fierce. Garmin is well aware of this. They're setting their sights high once again with the Fenix 8 Pro. While we're still waiting for the official details on the Fenix 8's design and features, we can make some educated guesses. Expect diverse case sizes, a variety of material combinations, and possibly even a slimmer design without compromising the legendary battery life. In terms of technology, there's been talk about Garmin potentially moving from the tried-and-true MIP, memory and pixel, screens to vibrant AMOLED displays. Although the Epix line already features AMOLED technology, it seems likely that this trend could extend to the Fenix series as well. The Fenix 8 Pro will likely retain all the key features we loved in the Fenix 7 series, including offline maps, sleep and stress tracking, the Elevate Gen 5 optical heart rate sensor, and robust battery life. Garmin has been continuously fine-tuning GPS and battery performance, focusing on improvements like antenna placement and the SAT-IQ algorithm. We can expect these enhancements to be even more refined in the Fenix 8 series. Health monitoring could see a significant upgrade with the Fenix 8 Pro. Imagine a watch that not only tracks your workouts but also monitors critical health metrics such as blood pressure, glucose levels, and hydration directly from your wrist. For fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals, this could be a game changer, providing comprehensive insights into how their bodies respond to various activities. With the rise of artificial intelligence, we can anticipate the Fenix 8 Pro offering a suite of personalized features. Think adaptive training plans that adjust based on your performance, voice assistance for hands-free operation, and predictive health metrics that warn of potential issues before they arise, all thanks to continuous data monitoring. Now, let's talk about smartwatch capabilities. While the Fenix series has always been geared towards fitness tracking, there's a growing demand for enhanced smartwatch features. Garmin could take a page from competitors like the Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch by integrating features such as a microphone for voice control, smart assistant functionality, and better third-party app support. These additions could significantly broaden the appeal of the Fenix series, making it a more versatile tool for everyday use. In our tests, we named the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro Solar our best overall outdoor watch for its ability to keep up with any activity. Men's health editors love how robust the tech is, saying you get all the basic stats like heart rate, distance, calories, and a GPS map. But then you also get a bunch of more interesting stats like cadence, stride length, fastest mile, ground contact time, and time spent in each heart rate zone. In addition to 11 sports modes and daily workout options, the Fenix 7 can monitor your recovery mode and give you sleep metrics. Compared to other Garmin Fenix models, our editors specifically recommend the 7 Pro Solar because it has a battery capable of lasting a hopping 57 hours in full GPS mode, plenty of time to complete a multi-day backpacking trip, an ultramarathon, or your bike club's latest century ride. Technically speaking, they've announced two core product series, the Fenix 7 series and the Epix series. Ignoring the fact that Garmin previously announced an Epix unit 7 years ago. For the new Epix Gen 2 though, check out my full in-depth review over here. Essentially, the Epix Gen 2 is an AMOLED display version of the Fenix 7, but with still very respectable battery life. This review is instead focused almost entirely on the Fenix 7 series, which includes the Fenix 7S, 7, and 7X models. These units get a slate of new features depending on which exact model you choose, including everything from workout stamina tracking to free downloadable topoactive maps. And the 7X even gets a flashlight, which might sound gimmicky at first, but seriously, it's mind-bogglingly useful and way more advanced than just a flashlight. It can flash white and red as you run, match to your cadence, specific to showing white lights while forward-facing and red lights rearward-facing. As for pricing and launch details, these are still under wraps. However, industry insiders suggest that the Fenix 8 Pro could start at around $1,700, with premium models potentially fetching up to $1,000. Keep an eye out for a possible release in late 2024 or early 2025.